Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eva and this is my unboxing channel. Today I've got another occult box. This is a March with the theme of witch. I will put the details below if you want to sign up for one. I think it's around $25.99 a month, something like that, but I will put the exact details below if you want one. Okay, so come every month and there's a lot of like kind of occult and witchcraft themes, and as you can see there's kind of these black stars on top. There's quite a few of those. Okay, also there is this little card which represents the sun kind of tarot, and on the back it says Occult Box. Okay, so I can also smell something like really like nice. I'm not sure what, possibly incense, and there's also this purple tissue paper on it. Okay, so let's just get into it. Ooh, okay. Quite a few things in here. Just put that a bit closer. Okay, so the first item, we've got some Himalayan rock salt. I'm guessing that's like a bath item in a little like test tube there. It's pretty cute. I've also got looks like a little pin badge that says Occult Box at the bottom, and like a picture of a kind of cauldron and skull. Okay, and you've got this little, I think it's probably a magnet, a little sign which says "Witch is welcome." No, it's not a magnet. It doesn't feel like it. It feels more like wood. So I guess you can just maybe hang that up somewhere. Quite small. You've got tea leaves. It says loose black tea with hibiscus flower. Let's go with tea. Maybe I'll give that a try. Not really my thing, flavoured teas, but I will. Maybe I'll try it. Oh, that's that one. Oh, okay. We've got a little witch's hat there. Might go on one of my bears, actually. Cute. I don't think it'll fit me. There's that. Oh, okay. These say tea leaf reading cards. So I guess you'd make the tea, and then I guess, let's have a look. I've never heard of these. Never. Okay, so there's a bit about how you use the cards here and what you need, what tea to use, drinking the tea, and then it goes on about if you've seen these shapes like animal symbols, abstract symbols, boats and things there. So a lot of symbols that you can see in your tea. Vases. Okay, so those are quite cool. My little girl's just decided to join me. I'll just put those away. Okay, there's still quite a few items in here too. We've got a vanilla scented air freshener, and it says Blessed Be on there.
Oh, vanilla!
I can't really smell much at the moment. Okay. Got a writing set.
Oh, writing!
The envelopes, and this symbol is a badge head.
Is that a
purple
skull?
envelopes, yep. We've got a notepad. It says "Make it happen."
Oh, you've got two of them.
Oh, got a little note which tells me what's in there. I don't use that one. And you've got some items that are wrapped. So,
Can I pick one?
not yet. Got a Sweet Dreams spell bottle there in fragrance oil.
I smell it.
It smells like perfume, doesn't it? It's quite nice.
I don't like it. I don't like the smell of it.
It does say you can place a sleepy spell jar under your pillow by your bed for sweet dreams sound in slumber. Use a sleep smelling salt before bed. Place on your altar. Use the herbs for spell work. And so yeah, there's a bit of information about what you do in that one.
That I need
I've
that.
got a few more items in here. This is good. There's some incense cones. If you've got the incense burner for cones, I think I have got one somewhere. Oh, hello. This looks really good. It's quite, there's a few kind of gems and things in this one. Okay, let's take this out and see what they are. Tells me. So I think that's a fluorite. I think, yep. So we've got fluorite. We've got 2 of these. These are quartz. Get the things out nice. We've got some quartz.
And a big rock.
A quartz. Yep, 2 of those. Very pretty. Or is it meant to be the same piece maybe? No, I think it's 2. And then we've got the big one is calcite.
It looks like jello.
It's very pretty and it's a really big chunk too. You want to put them back in the bag for me? Thank you. And I've got 2 more items here. So, check any more. Nope, that's it. There's 2 more things to open.
Ow, it just tumbled on my knees.
Okay. Oh wow. That is very cute. A cold pot there.
It can go with your which you got for like Christmas.
Yeah, I guess you could put an egg in that even. Very cute. It says witchy brew on it. And cold, like cauldron shape. And then one more item. This one is in a box here. This crystal on the top. And it's a little crystal ball. We have a little
Oh, now you've got another one.
Mm-hmm. Try not to shake it. So, okay, let's see what we got in total. Like that. Okay, so we got the crystal ball. And then we've got the little cauldron there. Very cute. Got the little witch sign. Got the writing set and the notepad. The air freshener. The tea cards. The little pin. The gem bag. Quite a few lovely stones in there. Little witch hat. Bath salts. Incense cones. And we've got the fragrance oil and the little sleep spell there. Which for, oh, and the Santarot card. So definitely can't grumble with this box. It's definitely value and I do prefer it to last month's box as well. Yeah, I think it's like an actual lovely box. So that is Occult Box and that's March. I will put the details below. I'll also put next month's theme because I can't remember off by heart where it is. So as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and bye for now.